Dear friends, greetings from Haircraft. We are looking at virgin Indian human hair bundles which are processed, wefted, and washed with an organic conditioner and hanged here for drying. Come, let's take a closer look on it. See the texture of it. This is wavy, and all these hairs are wet now. See, just now these are washed. See the thickness of and each strip of this hair. See, only Remy hair has this thickness. Non-Remy hair doesn't have this. This hair is completely black and 0% of gray hair in it. See, you all know that Haircraft for a while. I could see many vloggers are putting videos in your country, like how to find a genuine hair vendor, South Indian hair vendor, and I heard that they are getting paid for giving a vendor list. And there is another group called I see them as saviors of few people. See, this is a completely a trap, paying money and getting the list of good hair vendors. I won't agree with that process actually. That should not be a business. Please refer us. I have been in touch with Haircraft for a while. Please do refer your friends. You don't have to ask them to buy with us, but just tell our name called Haircraft to them. Say, hey, no, you. I could find a person like this who keeps posting videos and pictures of his hair. Just let people know about our existence here in South India, and that would be much helpful for us to serve you better. Yeah. Words of mouth is much stronger than any kind of paid promotion, which I strongly believe. And finally, your satisfaction is our rating. Our loyalty is your brand. With love, Haircraft. Thank you everyone.